Subscribe to Accessible World Tutorials for timely video notifications. Click the subscribe button, swipe right, expand options, and choose all features for the latest updates. Your support is invaluable in our growth journey. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Accessible World Tutorials. My name is Raviteja. Friends, today we will learn how to create HTML form elements. So HTML form elements means edit boxes, radio buttons, check boxes, combo boxes. So these are all called HTML form elements. So in this video, I will show you how to create HTML form elements using screen reader. So watch this video till the end. In this video, I will cover all the elements like edit boxes, check boxes, radio boxes, and combo boxes. And if you are watching our videos for the first time, first cover all the topics related to headings, paragraphs, graphics, list, links, okay, tables. Then come to this topic so that you will clearly understand what are the basic concepts of HTML. Okay, don't watch directly this video because you will not understand anything, because in our previous topics I have covered the header tag, footer tag, everything I have covered in our previous topics. So first watch our previous topics, then come to this topic. Okay, friends, if you not subscribe our channel as of now, just subscribe today, because in future, after completion of 2-3 lectures, I will start the JavaScript also. So please subscribe this channel right away, okay, so that you will not miss our next videos and also other videos related to technology. Okay, now I'm opening Notepad.
Speech mode deep. Speech mode talk. Run dialog. Open colon. Combo box N O T E P A D. Desktop list. Untitled dash notepad. System sub untitled dash notepad.
So always we will write our HTML code in the notepad. Okay. So our first line should be less exclamation mark doc type HTML.
Less. Bang.
Doc type should be in capitals.
Caps lock on. DOCTYPE. Space.
Space.
Caps lock off. HTML. Greater.
Okay, this is our first line. Now we need to open and close the HTML tag. Less HTML.
Less HTML. Greater.
Okay, after 3 lines enter. 3 times enter. Now we are closing the HTML tag.
Less. Slash. HTML. Greater.
Okay, less HTML greater.
Land. Less HTML. Land.
So now I will open header tag.
Less HEAD. Greater.
Less head greater. And 2 times enter. I'm closing the head tag.
Less. Slash. AEAD. Greater.
Okay,
Land.
in between I'm providing the title, page title.
Less. TITLE. Greater.
Less title greater, HTML form.
HTML. Space. FORMS. Less. Slash. TITLE. Greater.
Okay, less title greater. So don't worry friends, I'm providing this document in my WhatsApp group. Okay, if you not join in our WhatsApp group, please join in our WhatsApp group. I'm providing the WhatsApp group link in the comment section. Okay, so if you join in WhatsApp group, you can ask the doubts, and as well as you can download this document also. This notepad file also you can download. Okay.
Less head greater. Less title greater. HTML forms. Less slash title greater. Less slash head greater. Blank.
So now I'm opening body tag.
Less. BODY. Greater.
Okay, I'm closing the body tag after 3 lines. Less body greater.
Less. Slash. BODY. Greater.
Okay.
Blank. Less body greater. Blank.
Now I'm creating small heading.
Less H1. Greater.
Okay, HTML form.
HTML. Space. FORMS. Less. Slash. H1. Greater.
Okay. So here I will create a simple small form, okay, having 1 edit box, 2 radio buttons, 2 check boxes, and 1 combo box and 1 button, okay, 1 submit button. So watch this video till the end so that you will not miss any important coding.
Less H1 greater. Blank.
So here we need to open a form tag, okay. To open the form tag, we need to write less form greater.
Less. FORM. Greater.
So 3 times enter. I'm closing the form tag.
Less. Slash. FORM. Greater.
So this is the best practice to close the tag. Whenever we open any tag, immediately close the tab, okay, and write the actual code in between the tags, okay.
Blank. Less form greater. Blank.
So now I'm writing So this is the form. Okay, less form greater and 3 times enter, less form greater. So first I will create one edit box. For that we need to use less label,
less, L-A-B-E-L,
less label
space,
space
F-O-R,
for is equal to
equals,
quotation open,
quote,
and you need to write full name. Okay, FN.
F-N,
I'm providing a
quote,
shortcut. Okay, so greater,
greater,
and I'm writing here my actual label.
F-U-L-L, space, N-A-M-E,
Okay, full name less label greater.
less, slash, L-A-B-E-L, greater,
So this is our first line, friends. Just I have created a label, okay, by using for attribute. Okay, see.
less label for equals, quote, FN, quote, greater, full name, less slash label, greater,
Okay, so don't worry, you will get this notepad file in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
blank, less label for equals, quote, FN, quote, greater, full name, less slash label, greater, blank,
Okay, here I need to write less
less,
input.
I-N-P-U-T, space,
In the next line, I'm writing less input space type is equal to text.
T-Y-P-E, equals, quote,
Text.
T-E-X-T, quote,
Okay,
space,
inside the quotations, I need to write type is equal to text because it is a text field. Okay, full name is a text field. That's why I'm writing type is equal to text. Okay, type is equal to text. ID.
I-D,
ID means, so in a label we have used for attribute, right? The same whatever we mentioned in the for attribute, okay, that ID we need to write here so that screen reader will take the label from there. Okay,
D-I-D, carriage return,
ID is
equals,
equal to
quote,
FN.
F-N, quote,
Okay,
space,
name is equal to
N-A-M-E,
is equal.
equals, quote, F-U-L-L,
Okay,
L-L-U-F, F-U-L-L,
full underscore.
line, A-A-E, quote,
Okay, what is this name? I will explain you in the JavaScript classes. Okay, it is not required now. Okay,
quote, carriage return,
for is equal to sorry, ID is name is equal to full name,
quote, carriage return, space,
required
R-E-Q-U-I-R-D-D-E-D, space,
space autofocus.
A-U-T-O-F-O-C-U-S, greater,
Greater. So what is this required? Required means it is a mandatory field. Okay, it is a mandatory field in the form. Autofocus means once you launch the website, once you launch this page, automatically your focus will move to the particular edit fields. That's why we used autofocus for the first edit field. So now read this code.
less input type equals, quote, text, quote, it equals, quote, FN, quote, name equals, quote, full line name, quote, required autofocus, greater,
Okay, this is our first input field.
less input type equals, quote, carriage return,
Okay, now we will give page break. Okay, line break. Let's be our greater.
less, B-R, greater,
One edit field is ready. Now we will make one radio button. Okay, two radio buttons. Okay. So to use the radio buttons, so first we will write a label.
less, L-A-B-E-L,
Less label greater.
greater,
Select gender.
S-E-L-E-C-T space, G-E-N-D-E-R,
Less label greater.
less, slash, L-A-B-E-L, greater,
Simply I have given a text visual label, less label greater, select your gender, and now less label greater. Now I'm closing the, now I will give the line break.
less, B-R, greater,
So read this line.
less label greater, select gender, less slash label greater, less BR greater, less slash form, less BR great, carriage,
Okay. Now we will create a radio button. Okay. Less
less,
input
I-N-P-U-T, space,
type is equal to
T-Y-P-E, equals, quote,
radio.
R-A-D-I-O, quote,
For the text field, we have used type is equal to text. For radio buttons, we have used type is equal to radio. Okay.
quote, carriage, space,
ID is equal to
I-D, equals,
ID is equal to.
quote,
So ID we will use male ML.
M-L, quote,
Okay.
quote, carriage return,
And
space,
value.
V-A-L-U-E,
Value is equal to
equals, M-A-I-I-L-E,
male.
quote, quote, male, equals, M, quote,
Okay.
equals value, equals quote, male, character space,
It is also required field.
R, E, Q, U, I, R, E, D, greater,
Okay, our field is ready. Now we will create a label. Okay, let's label
less, L, A, B, E, L, space, F, R, space,
per is
equals,
equal to,
quote,
per is equal to what we need to mention? We have given ID as ML, right?
M, L,
Okay, same
quote,
thing we need to mention here.
space, greater, M, A, L, E,
Male.
less, slash, L, A, B, E, L, greater,
Okay, now see this line.
less L A B E L space F O R equals quote M L quote greater M A L E less slash L A B E L greater. Carriage
Okay.
return.
Now one more radio button we need to create. So
Less I N T U T
let's input
space T Y P E
type is equal
equals
to
quote
radio.
R A D I O quote space I D
ID is
equals
equal female FMM writing.
equals carriage return quote F M quote
Okay,
space
value
V A L U E
equal.
equals quote F E A L E quote
Okay,
space
and required.
R E E R E Q U I R E D greater
Okay, and now we will create a label.
less L A B E L
Let's label
space F O R
per is
equals
equal to,
quote
per is equal to FM.
F M quote greater F F F E M A L E less slash L A B E L greater
Okay, now read this line.
less input type equals quote radio quoted equals quote FM quote value equals quote female quote required greater less label for equals quote FM quote greater female less slash label greater less slash form greater less label carriage
Okay, now we will give praise line break.
less B R greater
Okay, now we will create checkboxes. Okay, now we done with edit boxes and radio buttons. Now we will create simple checkboxes. Okay,
less L A B E L
let's label greater.
greater
Uh,
W A A T space A N G U A G E S space Y O U space A N O W less slash L A B E L greater
okay, I have written.
less label greater what languages you know less slash label greater
Let's label greater what languages you know. Okay,
less slash form less label carriage
line break.
less B R greater blank less B R greater blank
Okay, here we need to create checkboxes. Okay, so for checkboxes also, less input
less I N T U T space
type is equal to
T Y P E equals
checkboxes.
quote
Checkbox.
C H A C
Sorry, small letters. Everything should be short, small letters.
C A E C K B O X
Checkbox.
quote
Okay, type is equal to checkbox.
space
ID is equal to
I D equals quote
English.
E N G L I S H
Okay,
quote
ID is equal to English.
quote English equals quote character space
And value
V A L U E equals
equal.
quote
Same I'm providing English.
E N G L I S H quote
Okay, and greater. I'm not providing required for this. Okay, and we will create a label now.
less L A B E L
Last
space
label
F O R space
for
space equals
for is equal
quote E N G L I S H quote greater E N G L L G N E I space K N O double space
I know English.
E N G L I S H less slash L A B E L greater
Okay, and one more checkbox I'm creating.
less I N T U T space T Y P E
Let's
equals
input type is equal to
quote C A E C K B O X quote
checkbox. Okay,
space
ID is equal,
I D equals quote
ID is equal to Telugu, let's say Hindi.
H I N D I quote
Okay,
quote Hindi equals quote character space
Hindi.
V A L U E
Value is
equals
equal to
quote H I N D I quote
Hindi
greater.
And now I'm creating a label for that.
less L A B E L
That's
space
label
F O R
for
equals
is equal
quote H I N D I
Hindi
quote greater
greater.
I space K N O double space H I N D I less slash L A B E L greater less, BR, greater,
Okay, now we have created checkboxes also. I will show you the checkboxes.
less input, less label for equals, quote English, quote greater, I know English, less slash label greater, less input type equals, quote checkbox, quote it equals, quote Hindi, quote value equals, quote Hindi, quote greater, less label for equals, quote Hindi, quote greater, I know Hindi, less slash label greater, less BR greater, blank,
Okay, now we will save this file. Okay, first we will save this file. Otherwise, if any changes happened, if anything happened to our system, right, this entire file will collapse, right? So that I will save this file now. Control S.
save as dialog, file name,
Forms.
FORMS,
Okay, English forms
line,
underscore
ENGLISH, dot HTML,
.html. We need to give the extension as .html. Forms underscore English .html I have written.
forms line English dash notepad, text editor doc,
Okay.
less BR grade blank,
Okay, now we are left with only one type of element, that is combo boxes. Okay, so for that we will use less
less,
label. Okay, now we will create one label for this.
less, LABEL,
That's
greater,
label greater. Select fruit.
SELECT, space, FRUIT, fruit, carrot, less, slash, LABEL, greater, less B, less label greater, select fruit, less slash label great blank,
Less.
less, BR, greater,
Okay, now to give the combo boxes we need to give select, less select greater. Okay, less select greater. So for that,
less, SELECT, greater,
let's select greater. Okay.
less B, less select greater, less label greater, select fruit, less slash label greater,
Okay, here also we will give ID.
less, label, ABEL, greater, space,
Plus label
FOR,
for
equals,
is equal to
quote,
quotation open.
quote, greater,
So here we will write the ideas fruit, right?
FRUIT, quote, greater,
Okay.
less label for equals, quote fruit, quote greater, select fruit, less slash label greater, less BR, less select greater, care greater, T greater, space,
Let's select ID equal.
ID, equals, quote, FRUIT, quote greater, less BR, less selected equals, quote fruit, quote greater, carrot, greater,
3 times enter. I'm closing this tag.
less, slash SELECT, greater,
Okay. Now see, in between, in this select greater, okay, in this between these lines,
blank, less selected equals, quote fruit, quote greater, blank, less slash select greater,
in between in the bank lines, we need to create combo box options. Okay, combo box options like
blank, less selected, blank,
less option.
less, OPTU,
Oh, sorry.
UTPO, less, OPTION,
Less option.
space,
Value.
VALUE,
Value is
equals,
equal. Okay.
quote,
Mango.
MANGO, quote,
Greater.
greater,
Mango.
MANGO, less, slash, OPTION, greater,
So like this way we need to give. I will show you the character by character what I have written.
less OPTION, space, VALUE equals, quote, MANGO, quote, greater, MANGO, less, slash, OPTION, greater,
Okay, less option. Value is equal to mango, and mango less option greater. I have written like this.
blank, less option, blank,
So one more.
less, OPTION,
Less option.
space, VALUE,
Value is
equals,
equal
quote,
banana.
BANA,
Banana.
quote, greater,
Banana.
BAA, less, slash, OPTION,
Less option.
greater,
Okay. And one more fruit I am mentioning. Less option.
less, OPTION,
Option.
space,
Value
VALUE, equals,
equal
quote,
apple.
APPLE, quote, greater, APPLE, less, slash, OPTION, greater,
So this is finally we have done with options also, like combo boxes also. I will show you what I have written.
less option value equals, quote, less BR greater, less label for equals, quote fruit, quote greater, select fruit, less slash label greater, less BR greater, less selected equals, quote fruit, quote greater, less option value equals quote mango quote greater mango less slash option greater less option value equals quote banana quote greater banana less slash option greater less option value equals quote banana quote greater banana less slash option greater less option value equals quote apple quote greater apple less slash option greater less slash select greater blank.
Okay, we done with combo boxes. Now finally we will create a button for submitting this form. Okay, so let's
Less INPUT space
input type is equal to
TYPE equals quote
submit.
SUBMIT quote
Okay,
space
value
VALUE
value is
equals
equal to
quote
submit.
SUMBMIT quote greater less input type equals quote submit quote value equals quote submit quote greater.
Okay, finally we are done with our form. Okay, now we will run this form and I will show you how screen reader is reading this form. Before that, if you not subscribe anyone and watching this video, please pause this video and click the subscribe button and don't miss our next videos. Okay, and now I will I will share this file in WhatsApp group. Please join in our WhatsApp group to get this document. And if you are having any doubts related to HTML, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I will run this file in Chrome browser.
Run dialog colon 10 new volume left pair W website items view list HF first line F forms line English 7 of 32.
So this is our file. I'm clicking application key like
Cut T control copy rename MF share S4 delete D to pop-up window open with collapse stage 2 of
open with. I'm clicking on Chrome browser.
pop-up with Microsoft Google Chrome 1 of 5.
Google Chrome.
Items view list HT full name edit required blank.
Full name edit required.
Male radio button not checked required 1 of 2. Female radio button checked 2 of 2. Male radio button checked required no English checkbox not checked. What languages you know?
Okay, I will show you.
Heading full name. Edit required. Select gender. Radio button checked required male. Radio button checked female. What languages you know? Checkbox not checked I know English. Checkbox not checked I know Hindi. Select fruit. Combo box collapse mango. Button submit. Please fill out this field. Alert. Full name.
Okay, if I not fill any form and click the submit button, it will give you error because the full name is a required field. Okay, so this is our video, friends. Finally, we done with our forms, HTML forms. So if you really like my video, please click the like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Bye bye.
Website row forms line and screen share.